Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all EVS class students. So today we'll continue. This is the continuation of lesson. That is organ health. So already you learnt students. What you learned means the parts of the body. Yes, which are the parts of the body and what they work they will do. It means what is the function of the parts of the body. For example, hand I'll take here. So what purpose we are using hand? To do work or to do we are using we to do work, and fingers for holding things. Yes, for legs what purpose we are using? To move one place to other place. Yes, mouth what purpose we are using? To talking, to eat. Yes, and ear what purpose we are using? What is the function of ear? To hear the sound, and eye to see the things. Yes, nose to take the smell or to breathe. So these all are the parts of the body you learnt in the session first. Okay. So in this session what we will learn means personally how we will be maintain a cleanliness. So how we will be take care of the good health. So how we will be maintain a good habits. Okay. So for example, get up in the morning time. Okay, we will get up in the early morning. What we will be do the work from till morning to night. Yes, so what are the happening? How we will be clean our body? How we will maintain the cleanliness our body? Yes, how we will be maintain our health good? Okay, so these all we will be seeing here. No, okay. For example, morning you will get up in the morning. Yes, okay. So you will get up in the morning and you will brush your teeth. Yes, you can be go to the toilet after. So you will wash your hands with the soap. Okay. The next one you will take bath. Okay, next you will wear dress and comb your hairs. The next one you will eat breakfast. Next you will go to ready for school. Okay, so after evening time you will come back from school. So what you will do? So you will become a fresh. Okay, so the next one something you will eat or drink. Okay, then next you will sit and read. Okay, after night so you will eat and sleep. So this is a work of you from morning to till what you will do. Okay, like in your chapter they can be given here Shalini and Pawan both are studying in second standard. Okay, so what they will do and what are the how they are maintain cleanliness, what are the good habits they are following, you'll see in the textbook. Okay. Okay students, see here Shalini and Pawan are children. They are studying in second standard. They work, what they will do is given in the following pictures. They can be given here. What they will work from morning to night. Okay, Shalini and Pawan. Okay, both are children. So Shalini is get up in the morning. Okay, and early she will get up. Here see Pawan is what he is doing. So he is brushing teeth. Yes. So she is get up and she is brushing teeth. And here see after what you will do? From after brushing what you will do? You will go to the toilet. Yes, it goes to the toilet. After using toilet what we will do? So wash your hands with the soap after using toilets. So wash your hands cleanly with the soap. So after using of the toilet. Okay, so next one, after this work what you will do? You will take bath every day. Students will take bath every day because we maintain our health good. Yes, okay, we take bath every day. Okay, next one, wear the clean washed clothes and comb your hair. So cleaned, wash your clothes. It means clean clothes. After what you will do after bathing? You will wear the clean washing clothes and after you will comb the hairs. Okay, what you will do after? So you will wash your hands before going to eat. Okay, so wash your hands with the soap before and after taking of meals. Okay, so before going to meal or as after eating meal. So what we will do? We will wash our hands with the soap. Okay, so next one we will be drink a clean water. Yes, so we should drink a clean water because of why? because we need our good health. Yes, so we maintain cleanliness, so that purpose we drink a clean water. Okay, so next one, we can be trims our nails once a week. Yes, so we will cut the nails once a week. This is also one of the good habit. Okay, next one. So next one, what they will doing here, see washes hands, legs and face as soon as he comes from school. So when you will be come from the school, no, what you will do? So you keep your bag and so will be flushes. How we can be, we will brush? So wash your hands, legs, face as soon as he comes from the school. So cleanly you will wash your hands, because the dust particles, germs are is there in your hands. So we will be wash your hands cleanly and wash your face cleanly. Okay, so next one, so what you will do? You will be keep and you will be sit to and read. Okay, so that is a time of reading. So reads a lesson daily. It means, so what we will study from morning to till evening in the school. So you will be go to the home and sit and read those work. Okay, and here, so after reading, what you will do? After reading, you will take a dinner. Yes, so after reading, so it means you are completing your dinner. After, sleeps in a well ventilated room without covering the face. Here, see students, so when we will go to the bedroom to sleep, so what we will using? So ventilated rooms. So it means without cover our face. Why it means why we without cover our face? Because so if we cover our face, so can't breathe, so the air is cannot be go. Yes, so we are breathing in that time, the carbon dioxide again we will be take. So that purpose, so don't cover your face, and well ventilated rooms we will using for sleep. Okay, understood this one? Okay, so there are the habit of children. So you are also have such habits, means you are also having like this type habits. Know that it is necessary to develop a good habits to be a healthy. So we want to be a healthy, no? So what we will do? So we will maintain a cleanliness. We will have the good habits. We will develop the good habits. Okay. Next one, they can given here. Write your daily habits in the following circle. Yes, daily habits, what you will do? Morning, what you will do? Morning, get up in the morning, early morning you will get up. So take your, what it is? After brushing the teeth, so after going to toilet, okay, so wash your hands. So take bath every day. Next, what you will do? So eating what it is? Breakfast, you will go to the school. Okay, this is a morning work. Okay, so afternoon, what you will do? Afternoon you will be in the school. So afternoon, what where you will? So you will be in the school. So reading time, that is, so will eat, all the friends sit and eat. Yes, so that is afternoon. What you will do afternoon, that you will be write in the circle. Okay, night, what you will do? After coming from school, what you will do? So you fresh up, and after, so you sit and read. So after night you will eat and sleep. Okay, this is the night process. So morning, what you will do? Night, afternoon, what you will do? And night, what you will do? This is your habit. What are the habits you will be following? Yes, so write in these circles. Okay, so is there any difference between your habits too and Shalini and Pawan habits? So if you do not have these habits, develop them, because these are the good habits. Yes, so we will maintain our health good. So we will follow these habits. We will develop these habits. Okay, so cleanliness of the body is the health. So health is wealth. You know that is the thought. Health is wealth. Yes, we will maintain our health is good. What we will follow? So we will follow the cleanliness. We will follow the good habits. We will develop the good habits. So health is wealth. Yes, understood students this one? Yes, this lesson is completed. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you for watching.